Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. First, confirm the microphone is physically connected and not muted, then open the Meet tab. Once done, click the browser address bar lock icon or the camera/mic permission prompt and set microphone to allow. Next, make sure your operating system's microphone permission lists the browser and that the correct device is chosen as the default input. These steps remove the common permission roadblocks that make Meet report a blocked mic. Now focus on an app and browser choices. In Google Meet, open the three-dot menu, pick Settings, then Audio, and explicitly select the microphone you want. If Meet still shows blocked, go to your browser site settings and clear any microphone blocks or reset permissions for Meet. Google.com, then reload the page. On some systems, you should also verify the input sample rate and device properties in sound settings. Mismatched rates can cause detection failures. Once configured, rejoin the call. Finish by testing immediately. Use Meet's microphone test or join a quick test call to verify your voice is detected. If it's still blocked, restart the browser first, and if necessary, reboot the computer. Many permission or driver glitches clear on restart. Make sure any browser extensions aren't blocking access. Temporarily disable them. If issues remain, update or reinstall audio drivers, or plug the mic into another device to isolate hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different browser to determine if the problem is browser-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.